Okay, in order to answer that, how to do, okay, you say that I totally agree with the definition. I got the definition. I am in line with you about the rationale behind feature engineering. I love feature engineering. Now tell me how to engineer new features. Well, it is like telling someone that how to innovate in engineering. It is not something that we can teach actually. We can it's like a state of art, okay? But we can make facilitate engineering of new features, let's say. So feature engineering is a state of art. While there are some guidelines and practices, none of them guarantees finding better features and improving the predictive performance. So when I talk about better features, basically I'm talking about prediction power of these features. Okay? So better features means better, higher prediction power. So there is no way to guarantee that if you do these things, then you would improve the performance of your model by this amount. There is no way to guarantee such thing. Nevertheless, there is one principle that we have to keep in mind. We have we have So what is that principle? That principle is basically looking at the new feature from the point of view of the prediction power. Prediction power is like this. What is your guess about the target value before knowing anything? And what is your guess about the target value if you know the value of feature X? If your guess is improved, or better to have this arrow, then this feature X had some prediction power. We want to find the features or change the current ones in a way that their predictive power increases, in a way that if it is not feature X, but let's say feature X prime, which is basically feature X engineered in a way, changed in a way, then we would have even a better guess. So this is the principle. We have to keep it in mind. We have to keep the prediction power in mind, and this is a very good intuitive understanding of prediction power. There are a few techniques that we can use to engineer new features or improve the current ones. And I have provided a list of common feature engineering practices. So the rest of the lecture would be going through every single one of them. And let's get started with the first practice.